Oh my gosh, this is called the Favoloso from Bruno Bros. I am so excited to see what is inside. Let's take a look. First of all, the packaging is incredible. We have provolone and Chianti cheese. That would go delicious on these croissanty Asian crackers with sea salt. That would be a beautiful pairing. We have some month-aged manchego, which is a Spanish table cheese. With that cheese, we have some spicy sausage and another 3-month aged manchego, which is a Spanish cheese. What I really like too is they provide this cheese slicer because I know that I could use one of these at home and I can make my own board. Speaking of a board, we have our own chuttery board. And who doesn't love some orange confetti and cherries, chocolate? What a delicious treat. Last but not least, we have some Rain Coast crisps. And there you have it. What better way to enjoy our 10th year anniversary celebration than with some
But Miss
Bruno
Padilla, I
Bros
think
cheese.
there's more.
Oh my gosh, there's more! How could we forget the Pinot Grigio and fig cheese spread? We have some strawberry and Prosecco jam. Oh, these are some of my favorite. They are sinful cocoa pecans. The black lava cashews are a classic. And I think this is last but not least, we have some spiced caramel pear jam. What better way to enjoy St. James' 10th anniversary celebration than with a wonderful Bruno Brothers cheese, jam, some pecans, and some cracker spread.